Okay, so do you guys know the meme? Have you ever seen that meme on social media? It's either me, the kids, or the house. We can't all look good at once. It's definitely not me right now. Okay, so it has been a minute, about a month since I posted an update, so I apologize for that. Believe it or not, what I'm gonna show you guys is me after a tidy. But anyways, I'm super excited. There's been so many changes since I last posted a video. Countertops, backsplash, which I'm gonna show you guys in this video. I'm going to only show you guys the upstairs in this video because I have some things going on in the basement that I'm saving for another video. It's the play area. So what else? I think that was everything, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so since we always start the tour right here, I'm gonna show you guys the door. So I finally got this painted. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep this door on, but it's staying for a while. So got it painted black. And then over here, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with this plant stand. All I knew is that I completely love it. I don't want to give away too much of the backsplash over there, but I completely love, I decided to go with painting the bottom black, and we're going to keep these spindles. Wood, I might strip them in the future, but for now they're staying as is. I got this beautiful plant finally planted in here, and it's starting to come back and moving on. Oh, you guys, I am so excited. This project just got underway, and I have a question for you guys. So where you see, these are the old washer and dryer, so they'll be going once we get our new ones delivered, and they'll come up to about the top of there. So I'm so excited about how this looks. And we stopped the project at getting these sides done. So we didn't do the sides, originally planned on the sides, but now that I'm staring at this like for the last couple days, I feel like I'm liking it as is, but want your guys' opinion. A, do you think it should stay as is? Or B, do you think we should pull backsplash around the sides like this? Let me know in the comments. I seriously am torn, but I'm liking it like this. Like, I really love it. I am so jacked up about how this has all come together. Last time you guys saw, this countertop was still yellow. This countertop didn't exist. So yeah, lots and lots of changes there. Then I can't show you this because this is going to be another video. I organized the pantry. I'm insanely happy with how it went. I put new shelves, I've used the containers, and just organized everything in there. There might be some added changes in the future, but for right now, I'm absolutely loving it. In my son's room, we got closet organizers, which I can show you this. And if you guys want to see more, you can go to my Instagram page at our 1979.dream home to see how all the closets turned out, but I'll show you his. So it used to be one rod across the middle right there, so we added these side shelves so he doesn't need a dresser, and then he has room for pants and shirts and everything else that he needs, and I'm so happy with how these turned out. These are the mainstays organizers from Walmart, and they were $74.99 Canadian, so super good price. The kitchen, oh you guys, look at that gigantic peninsula countertop. So it used to end right here, but we extended it 15 inches and hung open shelving on this side, and I just think that it looks so good. I just love all the little pops of wood going throughout the house that kind of warm everything up. We didn't have any doors, so I'll give you guys a good view here. We didn't have doors up last time, so this is what they look like, and we just painted what was already there. And my wash is done. One cool feature that we just recently added, thanks to my sister-in-law for doing this. Yep. She redid the original. I have to paint this black, but she took out the cutting board from the original counter or cupboards and redid it to match the countertops. I love how the countertops do this. You just still have to finish backsplash. So what we will be doing, well, stay tuned for that. I'll show you guys in the next video how that turns out. Microwave. So we went to put that up because we got the electrical put up in that cupboard for it. And yeah, I opened the box. I was keeping it all in the box so that it didn't get scratched or dinged by kids or anything. And it's completely dented, so that has to go back, and I wanted to cry. We got a brand new area rug. I love it. It is so big, it's so soft, and I was a little bit worried about how white it is because it was a little bit whiter than what I was expecting, but the dog had a little throw up mess on it the other day, and you can't even tell where it was. It came completely clean with my little green machine, and so now I have no worry in the world about this carpet ever being stained. I will try and post links to the things that I mentioned, but if I don't have a link, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to find one. And I was up last night until 2:30 in the morning putting up the curtains. I can't wait to show you guys. So wall to wall, ceiling to floor curtains, and they turned out so good. I'm so happy with them. These are just IKEA curtains, you guys, the most affordable but prettiest and quality. Like, they don't lack in quality at all. They're so nice. I'll show you the like cross hatch pattern of them. Isn't that awesome? So it's just the thread, like it's not a print, it's the fabric. So they just are nice and thick with they let in a little bit of light, but they're not super sheer. They come in panels like this. So I'm going to take and tack or sew them together so that it's all one panel. So they look more custom, but here, I'll show you guys that's what they look like closed, wall to wall. Yeah, they were such a pain in the butt to hang, but I'm going to be posting a tutorial on how to do it, because the only reason it was a pain is because I couldn't figure out how to do it. I had to search all over the place, couldn't find really anything on how to hang these curtains, and so I'll be sharing with you guys some tips I learned along the way in a future video. Okay, so then for Brody's room, she's sleeping in there right now, but I'll give you a little peek. And nothing has been touched in here yet. I put away the tote, just kind of been trying to tidy, but we still have to get this finished. So we're going to be ripping out the tile, ripping out the tub, finishing the flooring, putting in a new tub, new tile, and a new toilet. Oh, and a new vanity and sink. So quite a bit to do in there. No, I shouldn't say nothing new in our room. We have closet doors. So that's what they look like. Oh, they look so good. I'm so happy with how they turned out. And that's the original doors, just painted. And I think that's it for upstairs. Oh, I got the pictures hung on the wall, the kids' pictures. I have a video of that up on my Instagram page as well. I'll link that down in the description. And oh, this wall hanging. So we got this wall hanging put up, and I absolutely love how it looks. It just really brings balance with like the open shelves and then just having something there at the other end of the wall. We will be getting rid of this because I hope to get a reverse osmosis system, and I need to I got a new filing cabinet, so hopefully I'll have a place for all of these papers soon. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. Kiddos just got home from school. Stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe. Click the bell for notifications so that you guys are notified the next time I post a video. Hopefully I'll have done backsplashes for you guys. I have a pantry tour for you guys, pantry makeover, as well as the basement, what I've been working on in the basement for entertainment unit, new fireplace, and a kid's like kind of Montessori play area. So make sure you guys definitely subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys hopefully next week.